This is the listening. Yes, Bismillah. Let's start. This is the listening for Unit 8. Okay, now you will have here what are the consequences of inventing the internet. Mention two. What is the result of discovering the internet? Thanks to the internet, thanks to the modern technology, because of the internet, the world has become a small village. So what happens in Ukraine, up to date, minute by minute, you can watch it. So what happens in a place, you can know it immediately by using just a click. So the world has become a small village, and you can use the internet for many different things. Some of them are useful, of course, as everything has merits, demerits, advantages, disadvantages, and so on. So we are going, first of all, we are going to start by reading the للاستفسارات المفروض طبعا, as we did in the first term. You must have the lesson text, but we don't have this. So we are going to ask our colleague Jana to read it for us, and please concentrate, because after reading by Jana, we are going to answer page listening page 18. Okay, let's read. Yes, Jana?
Well, the other reason that we have the internet is so that people in different countries can talk to each other very easily and get answers to their questions very quickly.
Yes.
Although we need this fast and easy communication, it can lead to problems if people spend too much time talking online and don't work or study enough. I wouldn't say that the internet has caused a lot of problems, but I think has caused some. The problem with the internet is that it makes people feel like they aren't good enough. If you go online, you see all these photos of...
Yes, yes. Okay, I'm going to complete it. Okay. Yes, the problem?
The problem with the internet is that it makes people feel like they aren't good enough. If you go online, you see all these photos of beautiful people on luxury holidays, and you think, why isn't my life like that? This makes some people really unhappy. Perhaps we should all concentrate on our own lives and our own friends and not use the internet anymore.
Look at this question and they try to answer it. When they spend too much time watching television. Who can answer this question? What are your ideas? Okay, who can answer it? What are the problems people have when they spend too much time watching TV? Who can answer? Huh? It's up to you, على فكرة. It doesn't relate to the lesson. Yes. Stand up and speak up, please. Speak up. Yes, this watching TV for a long time affected their eyes. What else? Yes, Minna. Minna, please speak up. They wasted their time. They may spend this, but they stay late at night, so they can't go to their work early in the morning. What else? Thank you, Hamid.
They can communicate well with each other.
Yes, they can communicate. Yes, you mean in everything has pros and cons. So now you are talking about the pros. What else? Wasting our time, affecting our eyes. But it is useful in case you may know the news from all over the world. Am I right? Okay. Here, I want you now to look at this and underline. Underline page 18. Use your tablet, please. Use your tablet. Do you have a book? Do you have the tablet? If you have the tablet, please open page 18 and let's answer this. هو listening يا جماعة I'm sorry يعني will be page 19 but I want to answer page 18. I'm sorry. Okay, underline the verbs that follow if in these sentences. I want you now to come and photograph your friends who are using the internet, the tablet. Okay? Now, if I don't know how to get somewhere, GPS, the answer is use. I use. Look at the book. You don't have the book, all of you. What about you? Tell me now, page 18. Did you find it? You don't have it. Okay, so we are going to answer this. Do you have it? Yes, okay. Underline, thank you. Look at here, ماشي. I don't know. Number 2, if I need to spend a mail, what is the answer? I will use my phone. If I broke, is it a present or a past? Present or past? Past. So we are going to say, I would buy another one. Look at the sentence exercise 1. Which sentence about? Which sentence discuss these questions in pairs? Something always happens. What is this? This is number 1. Number 10. Which one? Something that is possible in the future. Number 2. Number 2. Number something that is usually in the future, so it will be number 3. Which of the verbs, it doesn't matter. Open بقى لو سمحتوا page listening. This. Page 20. Page 20. The listening, I found. Okay. Try to answer exercise number 3. Amal, think of that. Before we start, I want you to answer this. Look at this, please. Look at this, please. Focus. I want you now to check. Look at the screen. Look at the screen first of all. Choose the correct answer from A, B, or C. D. By using GPS. Does your father have a GPS?
Yeah.
Sure, in his car or on his mobile. You yourself, you have GPS. By using GPS, the car can find the place you want to get to, and then your journey, navigate. Okay, the man's face looks, but I can't remember who he is. Familiar. Yes, the man's face looks familiar to me. I know him. I'm sure that I know him. I want you to stress or to focus on your colleagues. Don't focus on me. Okay? Look at this word. Okay. The internet is the most useful. We have the most useful invention. Is there a difference between invention and invent and discover? Yes, invent, to find something that is not exist on earth. Invent. So someone invented the telephone, someone invented the mobile. What about discover? Discover something that already exists. For example, Dr. Ahmed Zubair, Allah yarhamu, invent or discovered the femtosecond. Discovered, yes. خلاص, discovered. So here the internet is the most useful invention. Number 4, who is going to answer it? Yes, Hala? Hala? Yalla, stress on Hala. Yalla Batul, I'm ready. What is? Thank you very much. Benefits, okay. Benefits of. Consequences, results. What type of is it? It's SUV car. What type of? Who is going to answer? Who wants to answer? Vehicle. What do you mean by vehicle? In vehicle, any car